I think it's important for us to remind Jamaicans that we do have a strong legal framework to deal with violence in the country. We have numerous offenses on our statute book. The offense of rape, abduction, murder, wounding with intent, assault occasioning bodily harm, you name it. And they carry severe punishment. But you only get to a conviction after, you only get to sentencing after a conviction. And you only get to conviction after proof beyond a reasonable doubt. It requires the cooperation of all Jamaicans to ensure that perpetrators are brought to account. Every time we hear news of a horrible crime being committed against our women and children, we think it could never get worse until we hear it again.